Laser cutting is precise, but it often leaves behind a problem: laser slag. Slag, also called dross, is re-solidified metal that sticks to edges after laser cutting. Left in place, it creates traps for contaminants and can ruin downstream finishing. If slag isn't removed, it can interfere with electropolishing, passivation, welding, or cleanroom assembly, even cause corrosion or weld failure. For medical and high-purity parts, slag removal is essential. At New England Electropolishing, we combine mechanical and chemical techniques: targeted abrasive cleaning or tumbling to knock off residue, chemical baths to dissolve contaminants, and electropolishing to smooth and passivate the surface. For a medical customer, we removed internal slag rings from laser-cut tubing, followed with electropolish and citric passivation, returning parts that passed cleanroom validation. Proper slag removal ensures reliable downstream finishing, improves corrosion resistance, prevents contamination, and supports consistent quality at scale. We serve medical, pharmaceutical, semiconductor, food and beverage, aerospace, and other high-purity industries. Got laser cut parts that need finishing? Send us a sample and we'll demo our laser slag removal and finishing process.